Okay. Hello, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we're going to see in more detail the difference between cross stitch and diamond painting. It turns out that the rainbow horse that I got cross stitch from Everyday Craft, I'm going to post a video on the iCard over here. I found the diamond painting on Amazon. However, I want to do an announcement, and this weekend is my birthday and my anniversary. So I will post probably a couple of videos and so, but then we're back on full next week. So I just need to take a few days off. And it's my birthday and my anniversary, so, you know, I deserve it. So I got these a few days ago. I'm going to show you the cross stitch from Everyday Craft, but I'm not going to show you the thread. I already did that on the video. What we're going to look at, we're probably going to look at this and then this, because we need to know how many colors the diamond painting has. Here it is. That's the rainbow horse. I find it pretty. I got it. I found it pretty. So the rainbow horse has has 47 color full stitch. Have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 back stitch and 1 French knot. Of course, these are extra stitches that you have to do for to complete the cross stitch. That doesn't exist on the diamond painting. But we're going to take a look at the diamond painting from Amazon. I'm going to put this aside and then we're going to look. This one, we're going to look at the drills. So I already said that we have 47 colors on the cross stitch. I'm not gonna put, and this is from, I don't know, it doesn't say the, but it's an 8 by 15.7 inches, and this is by 31 by 37 inches. So I probably closed on there. So okay, we got the standard toolkit, and let me do these on the side. When I saw it, I have to get it because, you know, here it is. This one has 27 colors. So this one, let me pull you a little bit back. This one is gonna be less detailed than the cross stitch. Usually what I'm seeing is on some other YouTube channel is that the cross stitch has more colors and more detail most of the time. I haven't seen anything else. Okay, so it has 27 colors. They has the DMC code. The colors are, the key codes are on both sides of the paint. The background is white. It's pretty sticky, because the thing is, I'm gonna make it a project starting this summer on doing the cross stitch and the diamond paint. Of course, the diamond paint, ooh, no, don't do that to me. Of course, the diamond paint is gonna be, oh, this is great. I shouldn't trust the paper to pull back by itself. Of course, the diamond painting is gonna be first, but the review is gonna be done together, so you can see, you know, the differences. The key codes is letters and number, and if you can, I can see that drill field is okay. So before we see the drills, let's see, we have 27 colors. The colors are over here, and they also have the DMC code. Remember, these are 47. So now I can see that they're using the 5200 in lieu of the 3865 over here. So they got 3846. Okay. No, that's 3848. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, this has totally different colors on it. Only 9 colors over here are in here. The rest are completely different colors. And if you can see, the, oh God, I'm trying to get you away from the light. And if you can see this, that's very colorful. That has 47 colors. Okay. But it doesn't have, let me check. Let's do this. Let's start with the top. Because remember, this one, you have to include the back stitch. Okay? And this is definitely more detailed than the diamond paint. Of course, the diamond paint is 30 by 40. No, 35 by 45. And it's from Lee Honey. It's a 35 by 45. But definitely the cross stitch is going to have more detail, more colors on the detail. But this one is down the road because that many stitches, back stitches, that's gonna take time. And this one is, like I said, 31 by 37. Let's see, you guys want to see the cloth? I don't think it's that big though. We already saw, you can see the cloth. You see what I mean? As a matter of fact, whoops, like this way. As a matter of fact, this is even smaller, but it has detail. This is a 14 count. Look at the size. These lights are driving me crazy. Da, 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 da. Driving me crazy. Na, 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 na. As you can see over here, the cross stitch is going to be a smaller, but it's going to have more details. It's going to have more detail because it has more color. Only 9 colors from here are repeated in here. And look at how big is this one. This should have more colors on it for details. That's what I think. And I found it on Amazon. As a matter of fact, here's a thumbnail. Let me pull it close so you can see it. Let's see if the light helps me. And the focus, hocus pocus focus. Here it is. It's not that big, the thumbnail, but you can see that the cloth, the cross stitch is going to be a smaller yet more detail on it. Okay, I'm going to show you the thread. You can watch the video on of everyday craft. I don't know which part it is, but it's going to be on the it's going to be on the card, or it is already at the end or before that. So now, oh, here it is. Now let's take a look at the drills. $27 colors. The back is going to be $38.65. The good thing about the cross stitch is you don't have to do the back. So let's start. Let me pull it in more. Let me get this out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. So they're beautiful. Some of them have some dimples on it. So let's see how that turns out. Hocus pocus focus. Let's see. Let me put my chair down so I can move forward for this. My arm doesn't get too tired from looking at this. Okay, let's see. Hocus pocus. Here it goes. That's a beautiful blue. It's gonna be a colorful one though. This diamond painting. It gives you a perspective. I can't wait until I start all this. I got a couple of more coming in that I found the diamond paint or the cross stitch. So I know I have a lot of work to do. Come on, come on. Hocus pocus. That's the way it should go. I'm filming at night, so I have to use my night lights. Oh, I like that beautiful blue. I look like 939. No, not 939, like 823, something like that. Look at that purple. They're pretty good. Some of them has dimples on it. I don't think it's gonna affect the placement. But anyway, I do seal these diamond paints. The ones that I don't seal is Diamond Art Club and Dreamer Designs. Look at these blues. Oh, come on, hocus pocus focus. Hocus pocus focus. You're supposed to focus. Now you got it. That's a nice rusty color. I like. And I like this teal green. Look at this one. These are the whites. The 3865 for the background. So let's look again. I'm using this as a background, as a comparison. And we already know that the cross stitch is going to be a smaller than the diamond paint, but it's going to have more colors on it. So maybe because of the technique or the type of craft that it has that, but I have seen that the cross stitch usually has more details on the fabric. But anyway, I like diamond paintings too. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope it's been very informative. Please let me know any questions in the comments. I'm very glad to help you. So get vaccinated. By the way, I got my vaccine, the first one, along with my husband last Saturday. So it's not until May 8th that I get the second doses, the Pfizer one. My arms got a little swollen and hurt. I got a little bit of fever and chills, but it went with 2 Tylenol, went away. I feel tired and some joint pains, but it is because my conditions doesn't help either. So, but anyway, I'm doing my part to keep my neighbors safe. So love your love your neighbor as yourself. Be safe. Get vaccinated. Love and peace. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.